Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Azuna, fight the funk. AP Laser, leading the way. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
At DragonfireTools.com, you can find a tool storage solution that is right for you. Lou, how does it become more versatile when you start marrying everything together?
This year, we've come up with some new products. One of the new products is this lower corner unit and this upper corner unit. So if you're trying to come along two walls in your shop or garage, you're going to be able to marry a workbench to the corner unit on either side and you fill that space effectively.
And I love this, you're talking efficiency. If you're a pro, of course, time is money, and you can bring your workpiece. If you're working on an engine, you bring it right here, and everything you need is just a step away, which is wonderful. And then if you're at home too, it's compact. It brings all your tool storage together, and that maximizes your space as well.
Yeah, from the efficiency standpoint, having your workbench as your toolbox is definitely the way to go. No more walking back and forth and wasting all that time. Having your tools right where you're working at, that's efficient.
The workbenches are the centerpiece of what you do at DragonfireTools.com, and this is your most popular unit right there. Tell me about that.
So this is our 20-drawer Midnight Pro Series workbench. One of the innovative things about this workbench that we changed for this past year is now we have 6 wide drawers in it. You have 2 thin drawers and you have 2 deep drawers in this workbench. You also have a 14-gauge tubular steel all-welded construction, a 304 stainless steel top, 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, and drawers rated for 200 and 400 pounds.
The workmanship is second to none, and a system like this is going to maximize your space and make your workday a lot more efficient. Go to DragonfireTools.com, find out what's right for you. And oh, by the way, there's a promo code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Promo code Motorhead will get you free shipping and a discount as well. At NHOU Protective Coatings, Joe's taught us a ton about fighting rust underneath our car. But Joe, this isn't a magic bullet. This isn't just a one and done sort of thing. What do we have to do to make this a routine?
Right, you're never going to beat Mother Nature. So what we're doing is slowing her down, and this is an annual application. You want to just be proactive.
In the course of applying these products underneath the car, you've come across something a little more heavy duty.
Yes, so we discovered there were weak points in our system, and one of them was the washout areas, the very abrasive areas like the wheel wells, the backs of the bumpers. And so what we did was we came out with a heavy-duty version of our oil, which will substantially extend the protection time.
How does it work compared to the other products you have?
Same product. It doesn't have quite the creeping ability, but what we do is we only put it in the areas where it's washout. You don't need it to creep. We can see it, and we get 100% coverage.
How do I know this is the product that I want?
We have actually introduced in our shop this year what we call NHOU HD. So we've slightly refined the formula in the wheel well guard, and now we're applying this to substantial areas under the undercarriage of your vehicle for that high-use, heavy traffic commercial driver who isn't getting a full year on the chassis with the oil itself. You can come into our shop and we will spray the much thicker version of our product, the HD, on the undercarriage, including oil and body cavities, which is critical, but that will extend the protection close to a year, in some cases maybe 2.
Well, we can assure you it's super goopy. In fact, check that. I mean, boy, that's really thick stuff. And I'm going to show you how viscous this is. Believe me, folks, I do my own stunts here. Ready for this? That's amazing stuff. It is the NHOU HD. And you can check out that and the rest of their products at NHOUundercoating.com.
You're a braver man than I am.
Nothing like doing a little tailgating Motorhead Garage style. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we thank you for coming along for the ride. We'll do it again next week. We hope you come with us. In the meantime, you can check us out on our Facebook page, and if you have a product you want to see featured on our show, email jeff@masterstv.com. And from our entire crew here at our Dragonfire Tools studio, we'll see you next week. So long.